Hello everyone! Today po ay makakasama niyo po ako. Shout out po sa lahat ng aking mga members and shout out po sa lahat ng team na sumusuporta po sa akin every live streaming. And shout out po Team Love, Team Bungisngis, Team Angel, Team Pringles. Hello sa'yo, Tatay June, Nanay Mary. Hello Sis Ada, Sis Chari. Sis Pinoy Kido, hello sa'yo. Sis Regine, hello. Kuya Jam, CJ, Kuya Yano, hello sa inyo. And Kuya Macariola Cochero, Kuya Dindo, Sis Lorna Pakpako, Christian Pakpako, hello sa inyo. And today po ay nandito tayo ngayon sa ating simple makeup tutorial ni Geraldine Do. And syempre, sana ay may matutunan tayo sa aking i-share ngayon. Hindi man po ako magaling sa pagme-makeup, pero simple lang po ang paggawa ko ng aking makeup tutorial. And syempre, sorry. Sana po ay may matutunan po ang bawat isa na nanonood ngayon. Yun po ang aking goals. And shout out po sa lahat ng aking mga kaibigan all over the world. And marami rin po tayong kailangan bilhin bago tayo magme-makeup, di ba? Syempre. So, keep tuning in and samahan niyo ko sa ating pagme-makeup today. Once your face is cleansed and moisturized, the first step is to apply primer. Be sure to use a primer that works for your skin type. And also using a Dew Fiber makeup brush by applying foundation all over the skin and blend it down on the neck. And I love Lancome foundation po. And you need to blend them. And if you have pimples or blemishes, you can put or you can apply concealer below your eyes in the shape of a triangle. This technique ensures natural looking coverage and brightens up your face and draws attention to your eyes. We recommend the Maybelline New York Superstay Concealer for full coverage po. And finish that super comfortable and hydrating. And we can also blend them all over po by applying the foundation with the brush to until in your neck po, down to your neck. And next, we can design our eyebrow. Blend. I'm using a powder eyebrow po. Blend. Just apply them gently and blend po. That's the way I can draw my eyebrow. So, I hope you will try din po slowly. And you will learn more in putting or applying makeup po, my dear friends. So, I'm using a eyebrow powder. I'm using a small brush to draw a line and just blend. And do the same way in the other side. Just draw line as a guide, and then you blend. You can blend also again. Just follow your eyebrow properly. And it's very nice. Just blend blend, blend. And just draw all over and blend po. Brush, brush, brush your eyebrow. Brush. There you go. Try your best na magpantay sila. Kasi ang pinakamahirap po, this is very difficult and challenging part, the eyebrow po. Because sometimes it's very difficult to make them the same. There you go. So there you go. Now I have eyebrow. And then to apply a trick to make our nose slender, because I have a flat nose po. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, hindi ako naipanganak na matangos, kaya kailangan natin lagyan ng pampatangos. This is the way how I apply my slender nose. To make my nose slender. O, diba? Pampatangos po yan. Pampatangos. Now let's go to our eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Blend. Let's blend our eyeshadow. Blend, blend. And choose the color that you want po in eyeshadow. Usually I choose light color po for my eyeshadow so that it's not so exaggerated. Kaya I chose light pink. And then just blend like that. Ayan, naghahanap na ako ng ilalagay pa. Next, you can put lightener to emphasize the eyeshadow. Light lang po yan. Lighter po siya. I put lighter in the eyelid. Just blend, because the secret of the makeup is blending. And keep going po in blending, applying the eyeshadow and blend. Blend, blend. Just blend. And then next, we can apply our eyeliner. 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 And apply your eyeliner po. Lower lid. And now we will apply our lip liner po. Just follow your lip line and use lip liner to enhance our full lips. Just follow your lip line po to enhance. And then next, let's put or apply our lipstick, our favorite lipstick. And then blend. Just blend. Next, now let's wipe on a volumizing mascara like the Maybelline New York Fallis Lash Lift Mascara. And your eye makeup is all set po. So, just apply. Slowly. And now we can apply our favorite blush on to the apples of your cheeks, extending up toward the temples. So apply and blend. Just blend po. And we can also use or apply highlighter along the top of your cheekbones, on the cupid bow, center of the chin, on the bridge of your nose to brighten up the areas of your face where the sun naturally hits po. And then we can swipe a contour powder along the sides of your nose, along the forehead, and hollows of your cheekbones to add some shape and dimension to our complexion. So that is highlight and contour po. So keep going and enjoy. And just blend po. That is the secret in applying makeup. Blend all the products that we have put in our face. And highlighting in our face is really nice. It looks natural po. So in makeup po, just enjoy, have fun. Enjoy applying makeup po. And I hope that you learn something. You can retouch and put light makeup for everyday routine po. And always remember, a smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. So, bye! Yesas! Thank you!